Good morning, students. How are you all? Enjoying yourself? Great. Now today we are starting chapter 4, that is pronouns. Now before we start pronouns, we were left with two exercises in the last class. You remember? In our chapter male and female, we had to complete two exercises. We will complete them first and then we will start with pronouns. So all of you get ready with your English grammar textbook and you need to open page number 34. We will be doing exercise B and C on page number 34 and it is related to chapter male and female. Exercise B. Let's read. Choose the correct option from the brackets to complete each sentence. Now children, you already know what is male, that is masculine gender. What is female? That is feminine gender. Common gender is both male and female, and neuter gender is all the non-living things. So let's do the exercise. Number 1. Meena's mother is my dash. Now the options given here are uncle and aunt. So what will you choose? You will choose aunt because here it is written Meena's mother. So all of you, let's write aunt. Number 2. Shikha's dash Shanta is her identical twin. Identical means similar in looks. And what are the options given? Sister and brother. Now when it says Shikha's dash Shanta, so both the names are of feminine gender, isn't it? So what will come here? Sister. Number 3. The dash was playing with his cubs. Now pay attention all of you. What is written here? His. His we usually use for male or masculine gender, right? And what are the options given here? Lion and lioness. So what will come here? Lion. The lion was playing with his cubs. Number 4. Aman's dash said to her friend, I am very proud of Aman. Now here also you have to read the sentence very carefully. Aman's dash. So what you have to hear here? Mother or father. Said to her friend. Now we use her for feminine gender, right? So what will come in the bracket, in the blank? Mother. Aman's mother said to her friend, I am very proud of Aman. So write mother. Number 5. The dash of the house wears beautiful white skirts. Now here options are mistress and master. Now here it is very easy to find out what will come, because who wears white skirt? A female, right? So mistress will come here. Number 6. The dash and her fawns were sleeping by the lake. Now fawns are baby deer, right? And what are the options? Deer and doe. Now doe is female deer. So what will come here? the dash and her phones. So it is used her, so do will come here. So all of you write it down. Let's go to the next exercise. Exercise C on the same page. Circle the nouns of common gender and underline the nouns of neuter gender in the following sentences. Now you know common gender are both male and female, and neuter gender are non-living things. So let's do. Number 1. The driver of the yellow car is very old. Now here, driver is common gender, right? So let's circle it. And car is neuter gender, so underline it. Number 2, the mother is taking her child to the park. Now tell me, where is common gender? Yes, child. Remember, not mother. Mother is feminine gender. Okay. Child is common gender because child can be a boy child or a girl child. And where is neuter gender? Park. So underline park. Number 3. Why is the pianist not playing the piano? Here, pianist is common gender. Pianist is a person who plays piano. And where is the neuter gender word? Right, piano. Number 4. The police officer caught the robber stealing gold from the bank. Now here, police officer is common gender, isn't it? Officer can be a male officer or a female officer. So all of you circle police officer and robber. Even robber can be male or female, both, right? So circle robber. And where is the neuter gender here? Gold and bank. So underline gold and bank. Number 5. The cook has baked a cake for the guests. Now here, cook is common gender and cake is neuter gender. And there is one more common gender here, guests. Guests can be both male or female, correct? So circle the word guests. Look at the picture. Who is this? A boy named Ricky. Now what is Ricky playing with? He is playing with blocks. And what is he doing with the blocks? He is placing all the blocks with words like I, it, we, he, she, you, they. So he is making a word wall with the words that are pronouns. So these are pronouns. The words I, he, she, it, you, we, they. What is a pronoun? You remember what are nouns? Nouns are naming words. They name people, places, animals and things. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Words like I, it, you, they, we, she, he, they take place of a noun. Now let us see some examples. Look at the picture. This is my father. My father is tall. Now in the first place we used my father for introducing. In second place we can replace my father with pronoun he. So how we write the sentence? This is my father. He is tall. Who is this? This is my mother. My mother is very beautiful. Now, in first place, again we use my mother to introduce. In second place, we can replace my mother with pronoun she. So, how we write the sentence? This is my mother. She is very beautiful. I have a pet. The pet is a dog. Now in place of animals, we replace the pet with the pronoun it. So we write the sentence as I have a pet. It is a dog. Pronouns I, he, she are used for one person. For example, I am reading a book. He is my friend. She is going to school. Pronoun it. It is used for one animal or thing. For example, this is a tree. The tree has green leaves. Now here you use pronoun it. This is a tree. It has green leaves. Look at the picture. This is a cow. Cow gives us milk. Now in place of cow, we use it. This is a cow. It gives us milk. Pronoun we. We is used for more than one person. For example, we all love Nikki. Pronoun they. They is used for more than one person, animal or thing. For example, they are my grandparents. They are eating grass. They look good on you. Pronoun you is used for one person or more than one person. For example, you are a girl. You all are my students. So children, what did we learn today? We learned that pronouns takes place of a noun. Now, here we can see singular pronoun and plural pronouns. Singular pronouns are used for one person or animal like I, me, mine, you, yours, she, her. We can use she and her for female and he, him for male. It, his, her. Now all these are singular pronouns. Let us see plural pronouns. We, us, ours, yours, you, they, them, theirs. In the next class, I will give you example of each one of them so that it gets clear to you. Right? Now look at this picture. We will just practice it here. Now can you see the picture here? What you have to do? Match the picture in column A with the suitable pronouns in column B. Now here first picture shows a man. So what pronoun we use for man? He. So let us do it. He. Second one, we can see two females. So what we use for more than one? Pronoun they. Then we have a girl. What we use for female? We use she. And the last one is a ship. What we use for a thing? It. So did you understand how we match noun with pronouns? Now look at this exercise. This exercise is not in your book. This we will be doing just for practice. If you want, you can do it in your study book. So let's do. Underline the pronouns in the following sentences. You have to read the sentences and you have to find out the pronouns. Number 1, they had fun watching animals in the zoo. So now you know where is the pronoun? They. Number 2, it is hot in summer and cold in winter. Where is the pronoun? It. Number 3, we cleaned the kitchen after cooking food. Here, we is pronoun. Number 4, the book is very popular as it is in easy language. Where is the pronoun? It. She is the smartest girl in our class. Now, where is the pronoun here? She. Right? There is one more exercise which we will be doing for practice. You can do this one also in your study notebook. Tick the right word to complete the sentences. Now here there are two options given. You have to choose the correct pronoun to complete the sentences. Number 1, Kiran is a boy. He, she is a good boy. Now with boy, we use which pronoun? He. So put a tick on he. 2, Seema goes to Little Bud School. He, she goes by bus. Seema is a girl, so we will use she. Number 3, a giraffe has long legs. Dash can run fast. We are talking about giraffe. So what will we use? It. Number 4, the flowers are lovely. They also smell sweet. Now when we are talking about more than one, we use they. Number 5, the sun is big. He is hot. For sun, which pronoun we will use? It. Because it is non-living thing. Number 6, my name is Venki. I am 7 years old. Now when you talk about yourself, you always use I. So when you say my name is Venki, you will say I am 7 years old. Number 7, Raj and I play many games. They like football. Now here, when you use Raj and I, you always use pronoun we, because I shows that the person himself is involved. So whenever you use a person and I, you use pronoun we. In the next class, we will do more examples on pronouns and we will be doing the exercises on pronouns in the textbook. So, you have a great day. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Enjoy yourself and stay safe. Bye-bye.